Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Trading for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for Octa Trading. To sign up for Octa Trading, first of all, go to your device's App Store or your Play Store and then download Octa Trading application. Once you open up the app, from the home screen, choose one of the sign-in options. I'm going to choose email. Now make sure that you're inside the sign up tab and then enter an email address and create a password in the respective text boxes. Now tap on the little circle at the bottom to confirm that you are not a citizen, resident or affiliate of the US or a resident of Philippines and tap on sign up. Now you'll need to confirm your email. Go ahead and open up your email inbox and look for the confirmation link sent to you. Open up the email from Octa and tap confirm. Right after you do that, you will then be able to verify your email. On the next page, provide your information such as your first and last name, date of birth, phone number, country of residence, if you are an experienced trader, and so on. And right after you do that, you will be able to get in the home page of Octa Trading. If prompted, you might need to upload an ID for account verification, follow through the prompts if applicable, and you will be able to complete the registration process. And that's how you easily sign up and get ready to explore Octa Trading. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the channel for more tutorials. I'll be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.